were the perfect love song that you would hear on a Sunday radio. You did all the right steps to make me fall in love with a boy that could catch me. Small dates and walks around the neighborhood. My lips would smile at the sound of your voice. Instead I was yours and you were mine. How romantic was the boy that told her like his baby I was just your hit and run. We were dancing all around till we saw the sun. And I know this isn't right and I shouldn't pick a fight, but I was just your hit and run. Telling all my friends that you were the one. We were calling all night long till our eyes were tired. And I know you had my heart, trying not to fall apart, but I was just your hit and run.
Hi everyone, it's been a minute, just popping in to do a quick little update on where I'm at with my crochet. So you would have seen that I've done these two. This is so cute. I absolutely love this little like phone wallet bag. And then obviously you saw in the other video that I've done this one. I'm going to be making maybe one more of these, maybe some different combinations of colours. And now this is really hard to show, but we have the beginnings of another crochet bag. My favourite colours are all of these nice muted colours, like muted greens, muted browns, lots of really nice like neutrals, earthy neutrals. And I want to make obviously quite a few of these bags, just a few of them so that I can take them to the market next month. I have never done a market before, so I'm kind of nervous and kind of excited at the same time, but it should go really well. And then obviously I've also got my new tattoo. It's like, what day is it today? Oh my god, here. Ooh, 5th day from the day I got the tattoo, so I'm dreading the flaking. Oh my god, it's already starting to get itchy and uncomfortable. But yeah, I'm sure nobody exactly enjoys the itching phase of a tattoo. If you're interested in these like sort of floral designs, I definitely recommend you check out the artist that I had this done by. I will link her in the description. She's absolutely lovely. If you're ever in New Zealand, maybe hit up some of the floral artists here. We've got some really amazing people here that do floral designs. I'm looking to get tattooed by a few of them because I'm just one of those people that really appreciate beautiful floral tattoos. But yeah, this is what I'm up to. We're planning on doing a bunch of bags for the market.
you.